the legs here, you can move those out of the way. And to move them out of the way, these part here where you can put the patient's feet, we'll put their feet on here. There's little cuffs here that will go around their legs. To move these little footrests away, the only thing you have to do is right here, there's two clips here. Just push this forward like that. Same thing with this one. And that way their feet can be to the side here. And you can clip this and strap it to where it will not move. And this actually will come off, which is pretty cool. All right. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. You can actually get this off of Amazon for like only 120 bucks. And I'll put in the comment section the link to where you can get off of Amazon for 120 bucks.